All right, so now we're looking at number 22 here on this worksheet, and it says, use the diagram to find the distance across the suspension bridge. So we want to know this entire length right here. How long does it take to get across the bridge? Okay, well, here's what I do know about this, okay? Taking a look at this picture, okay, if I were to look at just this triangle right here, just that triangle right there. All right, I'm looking at this. All right, it looks like a right triangle. Again, we're going to make that assumption. All right, it tells me that this length right here is 52 feet, and this angle right here is 32 degrees. Okay, and like I said before, we want to know the distance all the way across the bridge. We want to know all that there. So, wouldn't it be helpful if we knew this part right here? If we knew all that in yellow, okay, which we can solve using trigonometry, and then look at the bridge, it's the same triangle 6 times, right? Because if I look at this, it's the same triangle, so triangle 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. They're all the same, I mean they're mirrored of each other, but if I found the yellow part in this one triangle, couldn't I just multiply it by 6? Because, right, it's that same distance 6 times. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So, right, if I found the distance of that one part of the triangle, I could just multiply by 6 to find the distance across the bridge. All right, so if we're labeling our sides correctly, I want to find this side. That's going to be x. Okay. Again, we know that this is 52. And again, I picked my angle 32, so this would be the opposite. This would be the adjacent, and here's the hypotenuse out here. Okay. That was for our counting, it's not a side length. All right, and so for here, we know something about the opposite. We want to find the adjacent, and I know nothing about the hypotenuse. So just like before, I'm going to use tangent to find my missing side length. So tangent is of 32 degrees equals opposite, which we know is 52, over adjacent, which we don't know yet. So opposite is 52, and the adjacent we don't know. All right, I'm going to need my fancy button pusher here because I need to change tangent 32 degrees to a decimal. So tangent 32 degrees is 0.6249 equals 52 over x. All right, let's make that a proportion and cross multiply. So that's going to be 52 equals 0.6249x, and divide by 6249 on both sides. Okay, so I'm going to have 52 divided by 0.6249, and I get a distance of 83.21. Okay, and so that is the distance of one of these legs here. So for one of this yellow line, it's 83.21. But like I said, we have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 identical lengths there. So I'm going to do 83.21 times 6, because there's 6 of those. So 83.21 times 6 gives me 499.26. So that is the distance across the bridge in feet, because it's in feet there. So it's 499 feet. If we round it to the nearest foot, it would be 499 or perhaps 500 if we wanted to round the nearest 100. But fun fact, I like these little fish. I think that's kind of cute. They added that there. The fish jump up and down out of the water. Anyway, the distance across the bridge is 499 feet. And there you go.